Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Mockup Creator in Canva. It's the free version tutorial, so you can all do it with your project. So as usual, we go to the apps button on the left hand side and we type in Mockup, just Mockup. And then we just click on the first one, which is this one. And now you can see all those different mockups. For example, you can see the popular one. You also can see videos, smartphones, prints, whatsoever. So let's, for this example, just click on the smartphone mockup. It will now be placed on our design, and we can put our shoe into the mockup. Just, push it there with your mouse, and what you can see now is that this shoe is inside of the phone. So it's super easy. Just search for the mockup apps and you have all of those different designs, products you can put your picture on, and then it's inside. You also can personalize it here, adjust it to your needs whatsoever. Thank you so much. I hope this video helped you.